afternoon. I'm Senior Chief Lawrence Dean. I'm the officer in charge of the Coast Guard cutter Hawser. We're stationed out of Bayonne, New Jersey. We're on board today with Coast Guard cutter Hawser. She's a 65-foot harbor tug. We did a patrol today on the Hudson River. We started out at Sardis, New York. We patrolled the Hudson River south, going into Kingston. We broke Kingston, a blade of track in Kingston. We came out of there and were asked to clear buoy 76 on the Hudson River for the Catherine Walker. Basically, that was just with the boat poles, cleared the ice. This way it marks the channel a little bit better. From there we came south. We ended up in the Hudson River pilot station, cleared that channel out to make sure that the pilots can get out through the vessels that are transiting up and down the Hudson River. From there we were asked to go into World's End. It's a choke point on the Hudson River, one of many. Basically, it's a narrowing of the river. The ice tends to accumulate in those areas, and usually it's a trouble spot where the tugs and commercial traffic have a tendency to go through there and slow up a little bit. So it's part of our job is to clear that channel to allow for commerce to go up and down the Hudson River. The two freighters that went southbound through World's End, we were there more of an escort to kind of clear the station to see how they were reacting to the channel, to see if we have to work with the other Coast Guard cutters, the bigger Coast Guard cutter, the 140, the Sturgeon Bay, to see if they would have to go in there and kind of widen that track a little bit for those vessels to pass a little bit more safely. Me and the crew have been, majority of my crew have been on board for 2.5 years. I do have 3 newly reported crew members. This is their first time breaking ice. So it was a good opportunity for them to see something different that the Coast Guard gets to partake in.